Screen Genies are a professional and reliable company providing windscreen repair and replacement services, covering the Gloucester, Cheltenham, Worcester and Bristol areas. Our trained auto glaziers are fully qualified, and using the highest quality materials and tools, our services include windscreen repair, which is usually free, windscreen replacement, vehicle window tinting, van conversions and much more. We offer a mobile service with no call-out charge. At Screen Genies, we take pride in offering our customers an excellent standard of craftsmanship, along with a friendly, professional and reliable service. Thanks for watching. For more information, please call us on 0800 298 1750 to find your local fitting centre, or visit us on www.screengenies.co.uk.